As we continue our exploration in gemstone history, we will shine a spotlight on some of the world's most famous gemstones and the captivating tales that surround them. The Hope diamond, weighing in at 45.52 carats, this deep blue diamond is renowned for its rare size and exceptional clarity. Originating from India, the Hope diamond has a long history of ownership, from King Louis XIV to being stolen during the French Revolution, and eventually finding its home at the Smithsonian Institution. Legends say it carries a curse, bringing misfortune to its owners. The Koh-i-Noor Diamond, meaning Mountain of Light in Persian, this 105.6 carat diamond is one of the largest cut diamonds in the world. With a history spanning over 5,000 years, the Koh-i-Noor has been fought over by various rulers and dynasties. Today, it's set in the British Crown Jewels, though its ownership remains a point of international debate. The Star of India, one of the world's largest gem-quality blue star sapphires, weighing 563.35 carats. Discovered in Sri Lanka, this gem is famed for its visible star pattern. In a daring heist in 1964, it was stolen from the American Museum of Natural History in New York but was fortunately recovered. Black Princess Ruby. Despite its name, this gem is not a ruby but a large spinel weighing roughly 170 carats. This gemstone's journey traces back to the Spanish royalty and the Moorish kingdom. It got its name from Edward of Woodstock, the Black Prince. Today, it's set in the imperial state crown of England. The Cullinan diamond, the largest gem-quality diamond ever discovered, weighing an astonishing 3,106 carats in its rough state. Found in South Africa, the Cullinan was gifted to King Edward VII. It was later cut into 9 major stones and 96 smaller ones, with the 2 largest pieces becoming part of the British Crown Jewels. The La Peregrina pearl, one of the most famous pearls in the world, with a history spanning over 500 years. Discovered in the Gulf of Panama, this pearl passed through the hands of Spanish kings and queens. In modern times, it was owned by actress Elizabeth Taylor, who famously lost it in a hotel but later found it in her dog's mouth. Each of these famous gemstones is not just a marvel of nature but also a testament to human history, passion, and desire. Their tales intertwine with wars, love stories, thefts, and royal intrigues, reminding us that gems are more than just beautiful objects. They are carriers of our shared human legacy.